disabling automatically summarization. Similarly to RIP version 1, RIP version 2 automatically summarize network at a major network boundary by default. And I will show you what we mean by automatic summarization. So what does it mean actually? For example, on my RIP version 2, on my router, London router, if I do show IP interface brief, this network and this network, they are belong to class A, right? They are belong to class A, 120 network. So you see, this is I have advertised. And on the London router, when I do this, so you see the 100 network, it ran the 100 network, and you can see the class, it automatically what it does. Even though on the London router, the route we have configured, internetwork we have configured, it is /24. See, what is that? Is it /24? Okay, so /24 is configured, /24 is configured. But when I go to the Paris router, I can see 50 and 20, they are automatically summarized actually. See, because it's a class A network, it automatically summarizes them. Summarize mean, you know, when you read a newspaper, sometime on the page 1, there is a summary of the any story, and sometime the full detail maybe in the page 2, page 3, page 4. So similarly, summary is like a routing table from the point of view, we want to make sure our routing table is as small as possible. That is a separate topic. When we discuss summarization, I will explain you, will go into more detail. At this level, you just understand the summary mean just providing a short information to the other people. So behind the scene, there are a lot of information, but right now you can see it is only sending the major, because it's a class A network, it's not sending it automatically summarize it. In order to turn the automatically summarization, what you need to do, you need to turn this off. By default, it is on. You can see it should be somewhere here. You see, automatically network summarization is in effect automatically. You don't need to do summary. Normally in the other routing protocol, you need to send a summary routes. Okay, but in the summarization is a technique where you can minimize the routing table. So far, just try to understand that. Later on we discuss in more detail. So, but route RIP actually automatically summarize for you. You don't need to do anything. Okay, so this is the RIP London. I'm going to the RIP, and I'm saying no auto summary. So I'm switching off the auto summary right now. Similarly here, no auto summary on all the 3 sides. So here you can see right now on the Paris router, show IP route RIP. Now you see it is sending the accurate information. Is it clear? Sometimes clear IP route is fine. So after 30 seconds, it will send getting the route. On the Paris, I just clear the IP route. Now you see I have 100 routes, but this is /24. This is also /24. This one. So basically right now you can see we have all these routes, 2 routes are coming, 150, and now there are accurate subnet path information. When I do show IP protocol, it will shows me the automatic summarization is not in effect. Now we are exactly getting the match of the subnet mask as well, whichever it is configured on the interface. To modify the default RIP version 2 behavior of the automatically summarization, use the no auto summarization command. The command has no significant, no effect using the RIP version 2. When automatic summarization has been disabled, RIP version 2 no longer summarization network on the class network boundary. So you can see that's what it is.